Good morning, students. So, this is your first lecture of strategic management, that is BBA 501. In this lecture, we will discuss about the lecture plan, that is how we will go through the subject throughout the semester. So, here we will go unit wise. In the first unit, we will discuss about the introduction of strategic management and the business policy. Your subject is business policy and strategic management. So firstly we will discuss about what is policy, then what is a business policy, what are the concept of strategies, different levels of strategies like the top level strategy, middle level strategies, and like that. Then we will discuss about strategic decision making and its issues in the first unit. Then we will move to the second unit, in which we will cover up the process, model, importance, the role of strategic management, right? Then in the third unit we will discuss about the strategy formulation, that how a strategy is formulated or designed, what is a hierarchy of strategic intents like vision, mission and objective in an organization, what is an environmental appraisal, organizational appraisal or a business analysis, and how these particular appraisals or analysis help in strategy formulation. Then there is a topic of strategic choice, in which we will discuss about certain models and matrices. In the fourth unit we will discuss about the strategy implementation, how a strategy is implemented, what are various aspects, structures, ठीक है, whether it be structural, behavioral, functional or others. So this is how we are going to discuss the strategy implementation in the fourth unit. In the fifth unit we will discuss about the strategic evaluation and control. As we know, strategy is a type of planning itself, and it is a standing plan. Okay, so every plan has to be evaluated. You know, you have studied the planning process in your business organization and management subject in the first semester, in which you would have studied like what is planning. Okay, so planning is deciding in advance what we are going to do, where, how, when and why we are going to do that. So strategy goes on in the line of planning only, and it is a kind of long-term planning only that we call as strategy. It is done on a top level of management. So here, without the evaluation or the feedback process, no planning can be effective or completed. So in strategy also we will do the same thing. At the end we will evaluate various strategies, like how we can do a strategic evaluation at a top level and how we can control the whole organization through strategic evaluations. So there are various processes of strategic evaluation. There are operational controls, techniques of control, and then the next topic we will discuss in the last unit is managing the strategic change, which may take a few lectures, and at the end we will discuss the case analysis techniques. And most of the topics will be covered by your strategic management's book of Azhar Kazmi. Okay, and this will be the fourth edition most probably, and I may refer certain other books, journals and e-contents, which I will keep on sharing time to time whenever the lecture will occur. So that was all about the lecture plan. So one more thing, the assignments which are related to this particular subject will be given in these video lectures only. This will be hidden within the video. You have to watch the video till the end and submit your assignments timely. Then only your internal assessment could be done. Thank you very much.